hurts. This oobleck. It's invincible.
Welcome to a Hamster's review.
Hey guys, welcome to Day 5.
Correct, Arjun. Day 5 of our science experiments. And today we're gonna make something that's both solid and liquid. We're gonna make
Clay. It's like clay.
I know, but it's not. We're gonna make oobleck. There's just 2 ingredients needed: cornstarch and water.
If you want to add food coloring,
So we've got some cornstarch into our bowls, which is the first step. The second step is to add water. There's no measure for this thing. You can use like any amount of cornstarch.
like for water.
Yep, and we have to pour a little bit at a time.
Yep.
So I'm gonna pour some in. Good. Now we have to mix with our hands. Wow, look at that. Arjun, if you want, you can start pouring. I'm gonna pour some more water in. Now Arjun's gonna pour some water in also. It's getting hard to mix it now. It's not like powdery cornstarch anymore. Do you see that, guys? It's liquid. We need to mix all of this cornstarch up. No cornstarch gets left behind. It's ready now. As you can see, if I put my hand like this, it's liquid and my hand sinks into the oobleck. But watch this.
But
I'm gonna put my second hand in now. Watch this.
what this one?
Yeah, Arjun. Also watch Arjun's. Arjun's is awesome. Just like mine. Well, watch this. I'm gonna slam my hand in now. My hand doesn't sink. And my hand is like just bouncing off the oobleck. Now, I'm gonna try punching this. Bam! Bam! Wait, what? Bam! 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 What happened to my hand? It's bouncing back at me. Am I bouncing it?
It's not working to slow down.
Like nothing. My punches have no effect on this. Look at this. My punches, they literally have no effect. And my hands are clean. You guys thought my hand was going to go inside the liquid, right?
Yeah.
But it's not.
No.
But it will if I just softly lay my hand on the oobleck. Like this. Watch. Like this. If I just lay my hand softly on the oobleck, my hand will sink into the oobleck. Like that. And I can lift it back up. It's kind of like quicksand. It sticks. I want to punch more! Bam! 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 Arjun's also punching his oobleck. Ah! Bam! Bam! Ow! 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 My hand hurts! This oobleck! It's invincible! But now you see, this is very much liquidy. Look at this. Look at this. It's not at all any solid. Look at this. It's just a ball of nothing. It's a ball of oobleck. Now it's liquid. Pick it up. And bam! Wow, it's invincible.
Bang, bang.
Bang, 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 bang. Destroy the oobleck. Let's have some more fun by adding food coloring.
Yeah, I love it.
Yep. So we've added some food coloring. I'm going to be making orange and Arjun's going to be making green. Okay, let's mix this up. And there's already some on my hands. Mix it up, Arjun. It's a huge ball, which is going to melt in 2 seconds now. It's a huge river of lava. Oh, it's a waterfall of lava. It is so messy around here, but the fun is all ours.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that green ball. Oh no, it's melting, Wow, I love it.
oobleck.
I know, Arjun, it's so much fun. And even if I not wash my hands, I can just keep smashing my hands into here and nothing will happen. Did you like our fun project today? And I have a fun fact. The oobleck are drums. See? Nothing will happen. You'll have clean drums and clean hands. Earlier, this is what I was talking about. It's first liquid, but when you bang it in, it's solid. So it's both liquid and solid. Look at Arjun. His fun is still going on.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you had a great science experiment day. Remember to bang that subscribe button and like button. And turn on the notifications button so you don't miss any new updates. Hope you had a great day. Bye. See you next time with another awesome science experiment.
To have more entertainment, please click on one of these videos.